Okay, so I'm gonna pack up my Trango 2 tent. It's a double-walled tent. There's the blue inner tent and the orange outer tent. I put the outside wall inside of the inside wall and fold it over like this and roll it towards the open door, because believe it or not, you're gonna have to push the air out of here. And it gets rolled up into that orange sack. Okay, so there's the Trango 2. It's rolled up in its pouch, and it's going to go in this end of the black bag. Now I'm going to roll up the air mattress. The Neo, here's the Neo Air Dream Thermarest. Really a good air mattress. I'll roll that up next. Okay, so there's the air mattress rolled up and the tent rolled up. And now we'll roll up the sleeping bag and shove them all into that black carrying bag. Okay, so there's the Wenzel Grande, whatever. And that's as small as she gets. That's as tight as she can go. Because that's the way the straps are made. It's got a little carrying handle here, but it goes in that case. It goes in this case here. And then we put it in the center. It's the thing that takes up the most space, but if you want comfort in cold weather, you got to have it. So let me put that all in the black bag. Okay, so we got the air mattress on this side with some trash bags I'm bringing. We got the, this is the sleeping bag right here in the middle. It's what takes up the most space actually. And the tent's over here. And we got a towel in there as well. I got a little space here in this corner. If I need to shove anything in, I got a little bit of space there. But it's about 40 pounds. It's pretty heavy. Each bucket's running somewhere around 15 to 18 pounds. And the backpack's around, I think it's about 20 pounds. No, it's probably about 15. The grill and the saw, and then my table legs and brace and my chair. I'm gonna stick the pillow in here as flat as possible, zip it all up. I'll put it together and show you what it looks like.